What's up, G? G, the Green Trader, what is up? Hopefully everyone had a great weekend. Let's take a look here. I'm gonna post a link quick for the live stream, and then we can go through the gap scan. So let's see what we got. What's up, Peter? So Acon, first stock that I like here. We have good volume, increasing volume as pre-market continues. We've traded this not too long ago. The daily chart, I remember wasn't too pretty, but we can take a look at that again. Looks like we have an 8 million share float on ACON, according to Finviz. Let's see what we got. News. So the company announces partnership agreement with another company. So partnership with Alpha Tech Spine. By the way, my glasses broke here. Yeah, I broke them over the weekend. So I only have one earpiece here, ear frame, but the company is great. I'm not sponsored by this company, but Horus X gaming glasses on Amazon, they have a lifetime warranty, and so if you ever break your glasses at any time, they'll just mail you a new one. So I got a new one coming in tomorrow. So I definitely recommend these glasses. They do have an orange tint, so you do have to kind of get used to it. But once you get used to it, it's real nice. Protects my my brain or my eyes from migraines and eye strain and sleepy, tired eyes after looking at the computer for so long. So I used to always get migraines when I would not wear glasses looking at the computer. So definitely recommend wearing some sort of protective eyewear. This is a great pair of glasses called Horus X. The lifetime warranty is great, and the customer service is pretty good. How you doing, Peter? But yeah, we have this company here, ACON. So a partnership agreement to advance commercialization of nocisin, whatever that is. Partnership aims to include surgical decision support technology. Okay, so nocisin is the first augmented intelligence platform to measure pain biomarkers in the lumbar spine. So it's like a medical device. Looks like they may have had a partnership with the company. I mean, the market seems to be reacting pretty well to it. Yeah, we can go over SPEC. I don't see a move from 677 down to 275. No, I see 681 down to $5. But we have, let's see, the daily chart isn't very pretty because you see we rip up, we flush right back down. So I assume like every single time we pop up, we reject. Every single time we pop up, we reject. We pop up, reject, pop up, reject. So I assume that today's going to be a similar pattern since it's done that every single time it's popped up. So you also want to keep that in mind. You don't want to be averaging into the red. You want to be disciplined, cut your losers. SPEC. So this was a recent IPO. I actually kind of like this. Acon about to break through the high here, I think. Maybe. Not financial advice. Looks we broke out there. Fade it back down to this level. I don't know. SPEC is kind of a little bit too far off the high to be kind of A+. Harp looks like a buyout or something like that. So SPEC. So what I like about it, first I can go over the things that I like about it. Looks like our float is pretty small. Let's verify with FinViz here. Okay. SPEC? Holy shit. It's showing a 200,000 share float. 250,000 share float. That's super small. I don't know if that's right. Because on Thinkorswim it's saying 15 million. So I don't know. Looks like we rejected the high there in ACON. I don't even see news on this either. It's got a really small float, if that's the case, 250,000, but I don't see any news. So that's one thing I don't like about it. The other thing I don't like about it is that it's so far off the highs and we're consolidating under VWAP. So that's another thing I don't like about it. I definitely like Acon the best. Consolidating near the highs, has news, has a really small float. Right, what did we say the float was? 8 million. VINC, yeah, I think I saw that too. VINC is potential. It's only about 40 cents off the high. Okay, so Acon, yeah. If that's the case, Acon 383,000 share float. That's so small. VINC. Vincerics Pharma share surge following early results of relapsed refractory lymphoma treatment. Anything to do with cancer is a really good catalyst if it's positive. This one's a lower price, but let's see the daily chart. It's actually not too bad. So we're at 160, 167. We topped out at, what did we top out at? 215. So we topped out there. And then we pull back. I think it's potential because we did break these pivots here, here, here. And then the rest of the way here, all the way up through here, is kind of not really solid resistance up until, like, let's see. I'd say up until here, maybe $3. It's like maybe resistance up in here. Daily chart's not terrible. It has room. Let me check the 200 EMA. We're above the 200 EMA, which is good, so that's not going to act as resistance. Oh man. Oh, hopefully everyone had a good weekend. This is our first full week in like a month, full week of trading. The only thing VINT is fading off the high. It's making lower lows, lower high, and lower lows. So we gotta like break up over VWAP and hold, and maybe can break through this level. I'd say as long as Acon kind of just holds this range here, I think we could have potential. I don't know if the float for Acon is. I have float checker up here. It's showing like Yahoo Finance is saying 5.89, FinViz saying 5.7, Wall Street Journal saying 5.7. Dilution tracker for some reason is saying 0.7. Shares outstanding. I don't know. That's a big difference. So 0.7 million. This thing can go parabolic pretty easily. Okay, so Weebles is 300,000. Yeah, I guess, I mean, it's small enough to kind of, it's definitely small enough, either if it's 700,000 or 5 million, it's still going to probably be the, I'd say it's probably going to be my main watch at the open. And then if this one does reject or just kind of fade, then maybe look at SPEC or VINC maybe for a move. But I think most traders are going to be looking at ACON. Did we trade Acon last year? I don't remember if it was the price action. We traded this one not too long ago, actually. I think I traded this a couple days ago. Let's see. Let's see if it shows the trade. So, I don't think it's gonna show the trades. Let's see. This day? No, we didn't trade that day. I think we traded it on this day though. It's kind of making that same pattern that it was 5 days ago. We break through the high and now fading back to a low. That's literally what we got on this day. Let me find it. Where is it? Is it this day? Yeah. Curl up, break through the high, fade back to the low. I wonder if we're going to get that same pattern. So take a look at that and then take a look at what we got here. Literally almost the same thing. So does this one just start to like kind of trickle down here? We could see something like that. Or if we hold high, I would assume if we hold over VWAP, we're going to get another test for the break of 7. See how the overall market is right now. Still kind of holding this area here. So Acon, I guess, depending on how strong it is, I don't know if we're going to be able to break. This is a long way to go. I don't know if the market is going to be able to rip this all the way up to 10. But we're kind of right out of like a downward resistance. You know what I'm saying? So like I'm not sure if this is going to go much higher. The only thing it has going for it today is the volume profile on this day is all the way up here. So today could be the day that it does buck this trend and then really maybe squeeze out. That's always possible. That's always possible because of the volume profile is, it looks like it's 10x, 20x of any one of these other days. But if it goes up to, let's say if it does go up to 10 bucks, let's see how much of a move that is. So from closing yesterday around 3 bucks, all the way up to 10, about a 200% move. I would say we've seen 200% moves pretty regularly in the past month, month and a half. I wouldn't discount this move. I'd say it's possible. Is it likely? Probably not, but it's definitely possible. We have been having lots of resistance over the past couple of days, so keep it in mind. BNZI, a lot of resistance at the high that we traded on Friday. And those other stocks are having massive flushes. Like we're talking $3 a share, $2 a share flushes near the highs. So that's definitely going to put shorts a little bit more into confidence being more aggressive because they're flushing straight down sometimes, and shorts are just going to take that and be a little bit more confident. They're short, so you also want to keep that in mind. I would say I'm looking at break of 7 for Acon. Maybe some couple first dips. As far as share size on this one, I could do 1,000 shares. I think I'm going to start with 500 and then maybe bump it up to 1,000 if I can connect on 500 first. If I can get a little cushion, then I can bump it up. Yeah, be careful on ACON. People are saying that there's a potential for offering, and there's an offering in progress. Alright, I'm going to get geared up here for the open. Let's go over the disclaimer. So all information is for educational entertainment purposes only. I'm not a licensed professional, so any of this is not considered legal, legitimate investment advice. All information has no authority over your own decisions. You're responsible for doing your own research before buying and selling. Day trading is risky. Most people do lose money, and my results are not typical. There's no guarantee that you will have similar results by following these videos. Be wary of scammers and impersonators. There have been a lot of Discord accounts trying to impersonate me to try to scam out people for money. So never give out money or personal information or Discord. And yeah, so that's the disclaimer. And I'm going to be watching ACON at the open still. I like that it's consolidating their highs, but definitely going to be very cautious on this one. Going to start small size and maybe size up from there just to get a cushion and just kind of get a temperature on the market first too. So leave a like button on the way out. If you're a new viewer, consider subscribing, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side today. All right, good luck, stay patient, and get greedy.